Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your encouragement is my motivation. Hello children, today we are going to learn the rhyme Pommai. Are you ready? What is the meaning of Pommai children? Pommai means doll. Okay, read me children. Pommai. Amma tanda Pommai, alagu Pommai. Amma means mother. Mother tanda Pommai means a doll which was given by the mother. Alagu means beautiful. Beautiful doll. The doll which was given by the mother are very beautiful dolls. Say it me children. Amma tanda Pommai, alagu Pommai. Next line. Talayai aatum Pommai, Tanjavuru Pommai. Talai means head, aatum shake. Talayai aatum Pommai means the doll shakes his head. Tanjavuru Pommai. Tanjavuru means a place in Tamil Nadu. So the doll from Tanjavuru is called Tanjavuru Pommai. Say with me children. Talayai aatum Pommai, Tanjavuru Pommai. Shall we revise the first para children? Say with me. Amma tanda Pommai, alagu Pommai. Talayai aatum Pommai, Tanjavuru Pommai. Shall we move on to the second para children? Say with me. Taalam tattum Pommai, Taavi odum Pommai. Taalam means music. The doll which makes music. Taavi odum means jump and run. The doll which jump and runs. The doll which makes music and the doll which jump and run. Say with me children. Taalam tattum Pommai, Taavi odum Pommai. Next line. Naan virumbum Pommai, Nalla karadi Pommai. Naan virumbum means the doll which one I like is Nalla karadi. Karadi means bear. I like is a good bear doll. The doll which one I like the most is the good bear doll. Say it me children. Naan virumbum Pommai, Nalla karadi Pommai. Shall we revise the whole poem children? Say with me. Pommai. Amma tanda Pommai, alagu Pommai. Talayai aatum Pommai, Tanjavuru Pommai. Taalam tattum Pommai, Taavi odum Pommai. Naan virumbum Pommai, Nalla karadi Pommai. Very good children. Pommai. Amma tanda Pommai, alagu Pommai. Talayai aatum Pommai, Tanjavuru Pommai. Taalam tattum Pommai, Taavi odum Pommai. Naan virumbum Pommai, Nalla karadi Pommai. Very good children.